What's going on YouTube? I was doing some head gaskets on this LS here and was doing one of these rockers, and it would just not torque down. The threads on those aluminum heads just completely stripped out, so had to make a trip to AutoZone, pick up some of these Helicoils. Super easy. Everything you need is in the kit except for the drill bit. So it's in small letters right there. You need a 21 by 64 drill bit for this this size. So first thing you do, get the drill bit and set your depth with some tape on there so that way you don't go too deep. And get a vacuum and suck up the thread or the shavings at the same time. So just quickly just drill that out. It's pretty easy on this aluminum. The threads come out pretty easy. Here's a closer look at the kit. It comes with a tap and then an insert tool and your little helicoils. So first, after you get everything cleaned out, drill a hole out to size. Now you take your tap and run that all the way down. Now onto the fun part, the helicoil. You just screw it onto this little insert tool and you go into your threaded hole now, and all you do is just run that thing all the way down to the bottom until it stops. There's a little tab at the bottom. Some people will take a punch and punch out the tab on the helicoil. For this scenario, there's a little cavity at the bottom where the bolt kind of goes through it, and it just pushes the tab down out of the way, so you don't have to worry about knocking it off with a punch or anything like that. So well, you can't put two on there because it has a tab that stops it. All right, now it's time to put these rocker arms back on here and test out this helicoil, see if it actually holds torque or not. We're good to go. Easy peasy. If this happens to your LS, don't be afraid. It's not that big of a deal. Super easy fix.
All right.